7 Reasons Why You Shouldn't Self-Repair a Lock. There are many reasons why anyone should never self-repair a lock. Here are 7 of them. Number 1. A professional locksmith can fix your lock cost-effectively. Number 2. You can end up with weak or broken locks. Number 3. You could seriously injure yourself. Number 4. You can take longer than a professional locksmith would take. Number 5. You could damage the lock further. Number 6. This could lead to completely losing access to your home. Number 7. A professional locksmith can provide additional services that you may need. Many locksmith services in Miami can provide additional services such as new keys, sales of safes and other security hardware, emergency lockout assistance, and more. Don't risk your safety by attempting to fix your lock on your own. Call a professional locksmith in Miami and they will guarantee you satisfaction for any work done properly. If you're not an expert in the field, the best thing to do is find one. My Locksmith Miami is a trusted locksmith company that can help with all of your lock needs, from repairing a damaged lock to installing a new one. To find out more about what makes us so great, contact us at 786-777-8214.